How to log into a Temu account? Let's get started. Make sure you have downloaded Temu app in your device. If not, you can head towards your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu. Once app appears, install it. After completion of installation process, launch the app. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you will see this option of sign in. Click on it. Now over here, you have to type in your Temu account's credentials to log into your account, or also you can use Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID to log into your account. This will only work if you have registered for your Temu account using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If not, you can type in your email or phone number directly. After you type in, click on Continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option and recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign In. And with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.